Welcome to one of the many circle sessions hosted by Wonder Girls. Wonder Girls is a nationwide classrooms movement. We bring relatable female role models into classroom settings through our circle sessions. As you will see, the crux of these sessions is its dialogic nature. We're currently working with 150 plus classrooms across 7 Indian cities. Our aim is for every adolescent in India to have access to relatable female role models. I welcome you once again and hope you enjoy learning from our speakers' life journey and career path.
So girls, we have got Aarti Di here now. You can wish her on the chat box and yes. So we are really
Good morning.
excited, Aarti, and looking forward to hear so many things. And being a fitness coach, I'm like already so much in awe that I'll get to hear so many things since I'm also a little bit into all those things. So I know like there will be a lot to learn today.
Absolutely. I'm absolutely looking forward to interacting with all you lovely people. And thank you so much, Ankita, for having me.
So, girls, we have got Aarti Di here, and as I was discussing with you, who is Aarti Didi? What does she do? So, you were telling me on the chat box that she's a fitness coach. She's also a founder of a program that is called Fit by Design, right? So, we have got her here, and okay, let's have a quick one word on the chat box: excited, happy. What's the mood that are you coming with this morning to have session with Aarti Di here? One word. Excited. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you. I can see happy, excited. Any new word that I can read? Excited, happy. I'm waiting for some new words. Cheerful. Thank you, Tanishka. Surprised. Okay, to have a fitness coach around. That is also good. Fresh. Feeling fresh. Okay, so I can see all the positive words around. Thank you, girls, for that. Let's maintain this energy and we'll begin now, right? Okay, we'll start with Aarti Di giving us a quick short introduction about herself. Anything, Aarti, a short introduction.
Sure. Um, well, first of all, a very good morning. I am Aarti and I am a health, fitness, and wellness coach. I'm also the founder of Fit by Design, which is a unique group X program, group fitness program, which is designed especially for women. And the objective or the motive of Fit by Design is to actually empower women to be happier, be healthier, and help them reach their fit goals.
Okay, so before we move ahead, I would just keep a small request to you here. So it would be great if you use like bilingual Hindi and English mix, since though girls will understand English,
Okay.
still they make a very good connection with Hindi. So I would request you to like use Hindi and English mix.
Definitely.
Okay.
Sure. We can
Yes.
definitely do that.
Okay. So,
Ankita, one quick question. Is
Ji.
there any way for me to see them?
Okay. Do you want to see?
Uh,
Want that girls should turn on their cameras?
well, that's okay. I was.
No, no.
Oh,
So they
there.
have turned off their cameras. If you want them that they should turn on the cameras, so they can.
That's okay. We'll do that in the end. No problem. I
Okay.
was
So
just wondering if I could actually see and interact with them, but that's
okay.
okay.
No. So they have turned off their camera, and at last they can turn on their cameras for a photograph or anything as such.
Oh,
Okay.
sure, no, thank you.
Okay, so I'm like we have got many questions from the girls. Why fitness? How? What is fitness? Why is it important? Is there any particular diet plan? What age should we start this and that? So before I get into all those questions, I'm very excited to know like how did you get into this?
Okay. So I actually stumbled upon fitness. Okay. It's not something that I was always into or anything, something that I had always dreamt of. I stumbled upon it 13 years back, and I have been a coach for 13 years. Before fitness, I'm actually academically a lawyer. I'm a trained lawyer. And I also did my master's in finance. So my education and what I do now is two completely different things. But 13 years back, I had my first child. I had my daughter, and I was at the crossroad of deciding, do I pursue my career, or actually, that's really the time where I felt that I was not a very healthy person. I was 192 pounds. So 192 pounds is almost 90 kgs, 92 kgs. And I realized there was something wrong with me. I was not healthy. I was not happy. I was not feeling like myself. So fitness actually entered my life not when I was very healthy and fit. It actually came to me when I was not. It actually came to me at a time where it was not my best time. So that's how I got into it. Out of sheer help, I invested into a jogging stroller. A jogging stroller looks like a bicycle, actually. So I used to put my daughter in it and go for strolls. My strolls turned into walks, my walks turned into runs. And when I came out of that phase, I knew this is what I wanted to do. Hi, Sanya. So that's how this whole thing started for me. I really felt that I was very fortunate to have been able to help myself, and I know there are so many other people who are not as fortunate, maybe, and I wanted to be that person. I wanted to be that coach that I did not have, to help me. So that's how I stumbled upon fitness, really.
As I hear from you this, like there are two things that are striking me so hard. One is that, like, you can at any moment you can come into this. That is fitness. It is not that बचपन से ऐसे ही बनना है या रनर बनना है या कोई भी चीज, मतलब फिटनेस कोच बनना है, तो ये नहीं कि बचपन से, like it can be any moment in your life where you can come at this and you are the live.
Absolutely.
Yes.
एंड नॉट जस्ट खाली फिटनेस के लिए नहीं, जो भी आपको करना है, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू अचीव, देयर इज कोई परफेक्ट टाइमिंग नहीं है. नोबडी टेल्स यू और कैन टेल अस कि ये टाइम पे यही है आपको करना है. अगर इफ दैट इज समथिंग यू वांट टू डू, अगर आपको करना है, अगर ये आपका ड्रीम है, तो उसके लिए कोई भी परफेक्ट टाइमिंग नहीं है. जब आपको लगे आपको करना है, दैट्स द परफेक्ट टाइमिंग फॉर यू.
And seeing you itself, it's so inspirational, girls. You can see like Aarti Didi sharing that she was 90 and right now she's so fit and glowing. So you can imagine how much she has worked hard on herself. And वो इसलिए था क्योंकि उनके अंदर से वो zeal आया. Not because she had to do for the sake of doing या कुछ ऐसा, but उनके वो चीज अंदर से आई. And that is something, Aarti, that brings me to my next question, that what is fitness for you? Like, how do you describe fitness?
So for me, fitness is for me to be able to do anything that I want to do. If my body, if my mind, if my soul can support what I want to do, I am fit. भले वो कोई एक्टिविटी हो, आपको स्कीइंग करना हो या आपको हाइकिंग करना हो, किसी भी एज पे you should not feel that I'm not able to. Now that is your body. Secondly, it's also your mind. Your mind also needs to be very agile. You have to be able to feel. आपको वो ताकत भी होनी चाहिए, not just physically, but mentally also, to be in that place कि जो भी आपको करना है वो आप कर सकते हैं. That is also fitness. And then the soul component also I like to always share with my students is kindness, is gratitude, is smiling at strangers. That is also part of your fitness regime. अगर आप बहुत physically fit हैं, mentally fit हैं, पर आप खुश नहीं हैं, right? आप kind नहीं हैं, आप अपने blessings count नहीं कर सकते हैं, then that's not complete fitness. So for me, really, fitness is my mind, body, soul, and to be able to serve. मेरा फिटनेस में होने का मोटिवेशन is nothing else but to serve. I truly
Wow.
feel that I was very fortunate. I had postpartum depression, I had extra weight, and मुझे वो कभी realize ही नहीं हुआ because मैं corporate job में थी. बहुत लंबे मेरे hours थे. I had a very very successful corporate career as a finance manager. और वो तब मैं अमेरिका में थी. Right? For 16 years, 16 साल मैं US में रही हूँ, इंडिया मूव होने से पहले. So that was a very dark phase, I would say. But जब आप give up नहीं करते हैं, right? जब आप खुद की मदद करते हैं, the lessons that you learn from those times are the best lessons to be learned.
That is so inspirational, girls. You can see how Arti Di tells her story, how she is self-reflecting and how she has moved forward. And the best thing that I heard, Arti, and girls, you should pay attention to that. That is that being fit doesn't mean being slim. That doesn't mean being thin or having some weight. It is related with mental well-being as to be mentally fit. It is also related to feel peaceful, to smile at someone, because that is something that comes from heart, and you will only smile someone, you will only help someone when you are yourself feeling good. And that is something that Aarti Di was telling right now, and that is like that connection of fitness and that definition of fitness. It's so good. Thank you. Means like even right now, even I'm also trying to connect all those things, and I'm feeling that yes, actually that is true. आप ऐसे ही किसी पे नहीं हंस सकते हो, किसी को देख के ऐसे ही स्माइल नहीं कर सकते हो जब तक वो अंदर से नहीं आएगी, जब तक वो सारी चीजें बहुत आप अंदर से फील नहीं करेंगे, आप नहीं किसी की ऐसे हेल्प करेंगे. एंड वाओ, दैट इज सो गुड.
एंड अंकिता, फिट बाय डिजाइन जो प्रोग्राम डिजाइन किया मैंने, उससे पहले last 13 years all my certifications have been in the US. So fit by design, मैं खुद को हमेशा पूछती थी जब मेरा ये फेज था, और एक बार नहीं दो बार. I have 2 kids. I'm also a dog mom, but both my pregnancies and even as a kid I was very heavy. I think I can pull a photo out if I can quickly in my cell phone and show the girls. But my point is, fitness is not about shape. I know हम सब ये सोचते हैं size 0. It is not about a size. Okay, fitness is way more than that. जब आप इस journey पे जाते हैं, it is not about the food. It is about the energy that you change within yourself. It is about the mindset building. सबसे पहली चीज आपको fit होने के लिए जो चाहिए वो है discipline. So actually fitness, when you pursue fitness the right way, it teaches you a lot of character. It teaches you a lot of discipline, and it teaches you the power of habits. That's the most fundamental thing in my opinion. और मैं बच्चों को भी, even if it is younger girls, I love working with them. I always tell them that it's about atomic habit. Atom बहुत छोटा होता है, बहुत ही छोटा. So it's always about atomic habits. हम सोचते हैं अरे जिम जाएंगे 10 किलोमीटर दौड़ेंगे. That's not how you want to start. You start with 1 glass of water in the morning. You start with sleeping on time. Very small incremental habits, and then they add up to something very big.
This is so strong and powerful. So it's not girls one night change नहीं कि अचानक से एक दिन उठे और आज से तो फिट बनना है. Like वो चीज बहुत gradually आएगी, right? It starts, see, दी ने कितनी छोटी सी बात बोली. It starts with drinking a glass of water in the morning. वो lukewarm water सुबह पीना, शायद वो आपको gradually ले जाएगा, right? Right, Sanya? It's true for maintaining our habits, and that will gradually take us to achieve fitness. And since Dee has already answered that why is fitness important, but still Aarti, like अगर आप उसे फिर से एक कुछ words में बहुत specifically आप अगर बोलो कि क्यों जरूरी है fitness.
Okay, so to put it very simply, this body is your vehicle through life. Okay, it is up to us how we treat it. Okay, सबको what's your favorite car? Girls, chat with me. What is your favorite car that you absolutely love? You want to be a Corvette or you want to be a sports car or a race car, right? You want to look good, you want to drive fast, you want that feel of power, all of that, right? So uske liye, for you to get through life, you want to make sure that your vehicle is well taken care of. You want to make exactly sports car, right? Right? तो आप उसके अंदर में fuel कौन सा डालेंगे? You'll put the best Lamborghini, perfect. So you'll put the best petrol, right? आप घासलेट नहीं डालेंगे अपनी गाड़ी में, ना तो वो चलेगी नहीं. You think of it like that, and it will answer your question, right? Why is fitness important? Because this is your vehicle.
कौन सी गाड़ी फेवरेट?
Sport car.
Yes, I'm sorry. Someone was on mute by
That's
mistake.
okay. No problem, no problem. Does that help you girls understand what I'm trying to say? It's very important that you take care of this vehicle, right? We all, हम सबके सपने हैं, आपको ये करना है, वो करना है. अगर आपके शरीर में कोई भी पेन होगा, if you're not feeling very well, you cannot live your best life. Yes? That's the whole idea behind it. It's about taking care of yourself.
I believe, girls, the two very famous, the two very common questions, what is fitness and why is fitness important, that Dee has already answered, and it is so powerful, it is so strong, right? She said that we need good fuel for our body so that we can achieve everything that we want, right? We say we want to be a doctor, we want to help people, someone here wants to be a dancer, someone around here, everyone has got different dreams, right? और वो dreams कब पूरी होंगी? जब body fit रहेगा, है ना? So and Dee has so rightfully said that body को बहुत अच्छा fuel चाहिए आगे चलने के लिए, है ना? That is so good. So before now, I come next ki how can that be achieved in into small steps. I would love to know your journey. Like since you started with that jogging and slow, that how did you move towards that?
So for me, personally, it was a lot of self-learning. Like I said, Ankita, मैं तब US में थी, and I've always been working, busy. हम सब बहुत busy रहते हैं, right? So मेरे लिए मैंने कभी ये notice नहीं किया कि कुछ गलत है या I was just going about life until इतना सारा weight हो गया, until I started to feel unhealthy, तब जाके notice किया. Gyms बहुत सारे थे, बहुत सारे diet programs थे. Can you hear me? I have Talat saying she can't hear me. Can you hear me, Ankita?
Yes, I can. I think the network is bad on her side.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay. So बहुत सारे gyms थे, बहुत सारे programs थे, पर तब मुझे जब आप ऐसे phase में जाते हैं, आपको कोई ऐसा coach चाहिए who gives you the intention, जो समझ सके कि आप किस phase से जा रहे हैं, आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं. वो सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज तक या डाइट तक सीमित नहीं रहता है आपके हेल्प करने के लिए, राइट? So what I felt at that time was that I had trainers around me, but they were not listening to my problems. I had postpartum depression. I had a baby at home. There were so many challenges beyond what they could see. And that is what I was seeking at that time. So when I just decided, I said, I'm going to help myself. I'm going to just go for walks. I started reading a lot. Books can be your best friend sometimes. जब wisdom आपके खुद से नहीं आती है, old books, some of the very, very good books can give you so much more wisdom. So I tuned to that and I started going for a walk. That became my active meditation. I would stop thinking about what was on my mind and I was just present in the moment. That is the first thing जो exercise आपके लिए करेगा. You have to stop. You can't be thinking so many things and exercise. You have to be present. right? You will be forced to shut your mind and be present in your own body. So that's how my journey started. It actually happened because I could not find the kind of help I was looking for. And I really needed help, Ankita. I really needed help. Not just for my body, but I was struggling mentally. I was not in a good place emotionally. And I wanted to be. I wanted to feel like myself, but I did not know how. So I started to educate myself with the how, give myself that knowledge that I needed. And that's how I started. So when I came out of it, that was my motivation to switch my career and get into fitness to become the coach that I did not have. When I work with people, जब मेरे students हैं मेरे साथ, तो I listen to them. I give them the intention and I give them the attention that they need to change themselves. That is why empowering for me or empowerment for me is so important. जब मैं आप में देखती हूँ क्या आप कर सकते हैं, right? When you have a teacher that sees in you what you can do, भले आपको वो ना दिखे, you will still be able to do it. You just need one person sometimes in your life to tell you you can do it. I know you can do it, right? And when you hear that, you want to change and you want to grow and you want to level up. So that was really my journey. My journey was not a very smooth one, or I had all the answers, but sometimes you find the answers along the way.
Good. Wow. So like since you opted this as your profession, then I'm very curious to know, did you go for any professional degrees or any course to
Oh,
certify?
absolutely. Oh my God. Yes, Ankita. I am certified with multiple certifications. My first certification was Jazzercise certification, and I am the only Indian ever to be certified with that. That was in the US. And I have a very lovely story to share. Can I share it with all the girls? मैं आपसे
Yes,
share कर सकती हूँ?
please do
So,
that.
Yes, Dee.
yes?
Yes,
Okay.
Dee.
So at that time, 13 years back, I was in Greenville, South Carolina. Okay. वहां पे एक इंडियन स्टोर था और वहां पे मैं अपनी बेटी को लेके, she's 13 now, I went to that store. Next to that store was this music, loud music. Okay, I could not see कि हो क्या रहा है, but there were a group of women working out, and that was Jazzercise. I was big as a house. I didn't know what they were doing, what exercise they were doing. But I remember going in that studio 2 days later, meeting the head coach and telling her, I'm getting certified. She did not say anything, okay? She didn't say anything because I was big as a house. I had no knowledge because I'm a lawyer, I'm an MBA, I have a finance degree, nothing to do with fitness. Neither did I, but she didn't say anything. She just said, if you choose to do that, I'll support you. And that stayed with me. That really stayed with me. She didn't, I was surprised. I thought वो कुछ कहेंगे मुझे कि आप अभी तैयार नहीं है, ये है, वो है. She didn't say anything. I went home, and that was my first certification, Ankita. But after Jazzercise, I have been certifying myself with multiple certifications. I have a personal training certification. My latest, actually, I am a certified nutritionist also. I have mentored under amazing coaches, including Jocelyn Thompson. She's the master Nike coach, world master Nike coach. She is also my mentor. Animal Flow, अगर आपने किसी ने Animal Flow आजकल, that's extremely popular also. So yeah, several certifications, Ankita. Kickboxing.
Wow, no, that is
Yeah.
great. Yes, like so the asking that question had only one motive to girls. Now you can see, right? Didi has done MBA. Didi was from a very different field, and now when she is into fitness and she decided that she has to go that way. So it only takes some zeal from inside, some desire, and that craziness from inside, and that pulls you through everything. And शायद बहुत एक छोटा सा सपोर्ट कहीं बाहर हमें दिख जाता है, जो शायद आपको वो
So true.
वो जो ट्रेनर ने बोला कि कम वील डू दैट। सो आई थिंक वो बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीजें होती है दैट लाइक टेक्स यू लॉन्ग वे।
एब्सोल्युटली, बहुत छोटी चीजें हैं, और इसीलिए वो चीजों को पास ऑन करना भी बहुत जरूरी है. If somebody has given you kindness, please make sure to pass it on. वो एनर्जी है, अगर आपने वो रिसीव की है तो वो आप जरूर किसी और को भी, जब आप देखते हैं राइट कि ये शायद मैं इससे गुजरी हूं, या दैट्स कंपैशन, right? When you use your compassion to give it back also.
Wow, that is so great. Like when you were talking about, like, we are talking about fitness, we are talking about like doing exercises, we are talking about mentally being fit, feeling peaceful, smiling
Mhm.
at strangers. Then you also said that you are a nutritionist. I was wondering, and I'm very curious to know, like often when people talk about fitness, they talk about diet, they talk about food, calories, carbohydrates, protein. So what is that like? How much does food, diet, counting of calories that play a role in our fitness?
Food is extremely important. Okay, एक कहावत है, then abs, सब लोग आजकल abs are made in the kitchen, right? शायद आपने सुना होगा. तो आप कितना भी वर्कआउट कर लें, अगर आप अच्छे से नहीं खाना खाते हैं, right? If you don't eat a balanced meal, the word is balanced. You need everything. Okay, you need your carbohydrates, you need your fat, you need your proteins, you need your fiber, you need your vitamins, and then hydration. Pani. 70% of our bodies is water, right? It's extremely important that we all eat a balanced diet. सबसे पहले. So diet जरूरी है कि नहीं? Absolutely जरूरी है. That's your energy. Your source of energy is food. लेकिन आजकल क्या हो गया है? सब डरते हैं खाने से. Scared of food, okay? But that is your source of energy. So imagine, okay, आपको किसी से दोस्ती करनी है, friendship, okay? You want to have a good relationship with somebody. तो आप उससे डरेंगे या आप उससे प्यार करेंगे? How will you have a good relationship? What do you girls think?
दी प्यार से.
Exactly, right? पर हम लोग खाने से क्या करते हैं? हम डरते हैं. You cannot have that relationship with food. Okay? Food is your source of energy. जब वो खाना आप खाते हैं, वो आपके शरीर का एक हिस्सा बनता है. अगर आप वो खाना जब खाते हैं तब फोन पे हैं या गुस्से में हैं या उससे डरते हैं, या that's how you consume it, it becomes toxic. So anything that you eat, number one, has to be balanced. And I'm saying this because aap sab students hain, right? We are not here to be a size zero. We want to study well. We want to play sports. We want to be healthy. So you need to make sure कि आप अपना खाना बहुत बैलेंस तरीके से खाएं. And it's extremely important.
Even right now, like people have misunderstood this word. The word dieting is taken in such a wrong way. Would you just have clarifications on that? When we talk about dieting or when a person is eating something less, so we straight away point out ये तो dieting कर रही है. So I believe ये इस शब्द को बहुत गलत तरीके से लिया जाता है कि वो exactly dieting क्या है या किसे करनी चाहिए, कैसे करनी चाहिए.
So पहले तो जैसे ही आप शब्द डाइटिंग बोलते हैं, राइट? तो the first thing that comes in my mind is starvation, right? कि वो खाना ही नहीं खाते होंगे या सैलेड्स पे जीते होंगे या सूप या स्किप. That's the first thing. The idea of dieting in itself has a very negative perception to it, right? So the right word, अगर हम you want to achieve your fitness goals or be healthy, is two words. First is balanced, and the second word is mindfulness. आपकी जितनी भूख है, आप उससे अगर थोड़ा सा कम खाते हैं, सही टाइम पे खाते हैं, right? So the quantity of food is important. The time is very important. and the quality is very important. अगर ये 3 चीजें आप ख्याल रखते हैं तो डाइटिंग की किसी को जरूरत नहीं है. It's actually a very negative way to look at this. The right word should be maybe nutrition and not diet. Yes?
Right. So girls, now you can see when if someone is not eating या कुछ, और जब हम बोलते हैं तो dieting कर रही है, so dieting का मतलब ये नहीं है कि भूखा रहना है, rather it's to take the right amount of food, right? And also see, if you remember, दी ने बोलता hydration बहुत important है. So Aarti, when we talk about hydration, so it's said that 4 to 5 liters, कुछ ऐसे बोलते हैं कि उतना पानी पीना चाहिए, जरूरी होता है. So how does that help? And क्या वो इतना strictly हमें वो count करते हुए चलना चाहिए, या how should we do that?
So the easiest thing to do is at least 9, 8 to 10 glasses of water. That's the easiest. अगर आप sports person हैं, अगर आप athlete हैं, then obviously diet और hydration दोनों अलग रहता है. But if you're not, 8 to 10 glasses of water is usually the norm. That's about 2 liters of water.
Okay, so that is something कि मतलब उतना तो हमें strictly या minimum we should have that, right? 2 liters.
Absolutely. Yes, must have.
And what about counting of calories या फिर carbohydrates, like in a day-to-day life में, if someone is very keen to achieve वो diet के through fitness जो हम बोलते हैं balanced diet. So अच्छा, first question is, how does this balanced diet look like? If you want to tell someone to have balanced diet, so what would you recommend? Like what type of food does that include?
So I'll tell you something very basic, okay? Balanced diet, जो हमारी थाली होती है, okay? That's actually the perfect balanced diet. A portion of dairy, right? A portion of protein, lentils जो हमारे होते हैं, सब्जी होती है, right? रोटी होती है, right? Salad. That is a balanced meal. You have a little bit of carbohydrates, fiber, protein, minerals and vitamins, everything, and a little bit of fat, because we have ghee also. Ghee is a source of good fat, right? तो जो हमारी थाली है is a very good example of a very balanced meal, because you're getting everything. It's like a multivitamin in the form of food, right?
Yes, and so
एंड अगर कोई भी है जो ये ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि मैं थोड़ा हेल्दी खाऊं, मैं या क्या ना खाऊं, हम इस चीज पे भी बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं गर्ल्स कि क्या नहीं खाना है. ये नहीं खाना है, ब्रेड नहीं खाना है, ऑयल नहीं खाना है, घी नहीं खाना है, राइट? पर क्या खाना चाहिए? इफ यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट आई नीड टू ईट, तो वो आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा. So if you start focusing on 3 fruits a day, आपकी थाली में जितनी सब्जी है वो आप कंप्लीट करें, दाल है वो आप खाएं, right? Go back to your basics. Eat a breakfast, right? You're sorted. और आपको क्या नहीं खाना है, I think उसकी लिस्ट तो आपके पास बहुत लंबी है.
Okay, so when we are talking about exercise and diet, everything, I would love to know, how does your typical day looks like? Like what is your routine? Exercise, diet, how do you take it forward in your day?
So, okay, so what does my day look like? Um, I have something like a morning ritual. मैं इस चीज में और मेरे लिए it is a lifestyle. It is not just ये कोई सीजनल चीज नहीं है. जैसे हम रोज खाना खाते हैं, रोज सोते हैं, right? Similarly, everybody should take time to exercise and also eat well. ये एक लाइफस्टाइल की चीज है. वरना जो आपका पहले का सवाल है डाइटिंग, वो एक बार वेट लॉस होता है पर वो वापस आ जाता है. सो somebody like me, I have certain rituals. मैं हैबिट्स में बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ और मैं एनकरेज भी बहुत करती हूँ मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को कि वो कुछ हैबिट्स अपने लाइफ में रखें, लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस रखें, ताकि वो अपने रिजल्ट्स भी रख सकें and they can be in charge of their health. So for me, my typical day starts very early in the morning. I have morning practices. I do my few minutes of meditation every day. I do journaling almost every day in the morning. I have Ankita.
Yes.
Okay, you're there. I'm sorry, I lost you for a second.
No, no, I'm there. Yes.
So yes, my morning rituals is that, and I work out. I do different forms of workouts. I don't just stick to cardio or just strength or anything like that. I do kettlebells. I do animal flow. So everything I have it's a very balanced. Like I use the word balanced. My workout programs are also very balanced for myself, and I have kids, so I'm a full-time mommy as well. So my day comprises of my family, my work. I teach. I have a studio, so I teach as well. As far as my eating habits go, I eat a very balanced meal and I eat very mindfully. ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं खाती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, but it's once in a week. Most of the times I eat very very clean. It's an 80-20 rule, sometimes even 90-10. So majority of the times I eat very well, I eat very clean, and I like to eat plant based. So I eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruits, homemade food, ghar ka khana, things like that, non processed. I try not to eat processed food much. And like I said, I have practices for my mind and for my body, both. And I practice them daily.
Girls, I'll point out here, see how she has so much of work to do. She has her day full with all the tasks, but yet fitness is there, exercise is there. She's following a diet, and that diet doesn't mean dieting. That is a balanced diet, right? So it is that she has made it a part of her life. She pointed it out so rightfully that it is her lifestyle that she has opted. So fitness doesn't has to be like you have to force it upon yourself. खुद पे ऐसे जबरदस्ती धक्का नहीं मारना है, रादर वो एक लाइफ का पार्ट है ना. वो धीरे धीरे शायद सुबह पानी पीने से शुरू होगा, फिर वो धीरे थोड़ा सा जॉग करने से, फिर वो अच्छा सोचने से, लाइक शी धीरे बहुत बार पॉइंट आउट करा, राइट, माइंडफुलनेस. वी ऑफन प्रैक्टिस वो छोटा छोटा ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज, मेडिटेशन या कोई भी चीज जो हम लोग कई बार क्लास से पहले करते हैं. So small things they are building up into so good routine, right? It's so good. Thank you, Aarti. Like I'm enjoying this. It is so heartfelt conversation and so many deep insights and so much to learn. And wow, uh, I'm okay. So I have got this one more question that while you are doing all this, what is something that keeps you going? Like, is there any role model or like, do you have any role model? How does that impact you? Or is there anything else that keeps you pulling?
So, okay. What keeps me pulling, I think what gets me out of bed, okay, is two things. One is my passion, and the second thing that gets me out of bed is my purpose. So, those two things really get me going every single morning. Every single morning when I wake up to passion and I wake up to purpose, both. And I know that in my heart. जब आपको अपना इंटेंशन बहुत क्लियरली पता है, आप कोई भी करियर चूज करते हैं, लेकिन उसके पीछे का इंटेंशन अगर आपका बहुत क्लियर है और वो इंटेंशन आपसे बड़ा है, it's not just to make money, okay, it's not just to look a certain way, it is to help, it is to serve, it is to show up your best self every single day, okay, that in itself gets you going. मोटिवेशन बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है लेकिन अगर आपका इंटेंशन है तो वो ही आपको वो फ्यूल देगा, वो फायर देगा कि आप रोज उस पाथ पे जा सके. और अगर आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में हैं जैसे मुझे, आई बीन आस्क्ड दिस मेनी टाइम्स, लाइक हाउ डू यू नो कि क्या करना है, राइट? पैशन, I don't know what my passion is. That's okay. You just keep going. It's not a linear path. सीधा रास्ता नहीं है. कभी आप right जाएंगे, left जाएंगे, कभी U-turn भी लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, and that's okay. लेकिन अगर आपके मन में ये है that I want to serve or that my intention is to be my best, तो आप कोई भी रास्ता लें, आपको अपनी जगह मिलेगी ही. Sooner or later you will be in the right place, and that in itself gives you a lot more fire to wake up with that motivation every single morning.
Wow. When like you are so, I would say it's self-motivated. So it's like everything is coming from your inside only. It's not that someone is coming you and pulling you out of bed, girls. Note that. See, that is something that is coming from Didi's side.
Nobody will come and say do this and do that. Nobody is going to do that for you. आपको खुद ही अपने लिए करना है, और जब तक आप में वो नहीं है, आप प्लीज ऐसे लोगों के साथ में रहिए जो वो आपको वो दे सकते हैं. You want to be around people who are positive. You want to have people who inspire you. आपने मुझसे ये भी पूछा कि role models, right, अंकिता?
Yes.
For me, a role model is genuinely anybody who's trying to do their best. It is not limited to one person, और especially ऐसा भी नहीं है मेरे लिए कि सिर्फ सक्सेसफुल लोग मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं. मुझे नेचर इंस्पायर करता है. Long walks in the nature inspire me. I see a beautiful bird or a flower that inspires me. Inspiration is all around us. And even the lady who comes to my home and helps me clean up, she inspires me because she's working so hard. वो खुद इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, वो खुद इतनी honest हैं, that inspires me also. So for me, role models is not limited to just fitness or to somebody who is very successful. Yes, of course, they inspire me. They do. But inspiration, if you look around you, every single day, you're surrounded with inspiration. Every moment, हर दिन में आपको inspiration कोई नई से नई जरूर मिलेगी.
Now, when we are talking about at this moment about inspiration, and I'm wondering that at this moment we are listening to you, your experiences, your warmth, and that is in itself so inspirational. And
Oh,
so,
very kind.
before I open up the space for the girls to ask questions, I have one last question, that is one advice for the girls here and some action points. If we break down into 4 or 5 actions, like what would you recommend girls to start doing for getting into fitness or getting into that momentum to achieve fitness? So some 4 to 5 short actions that the girls should necessarily have them in life or in their day.
Okay. So the necessary actions that the girls should have in terms of their health, sabse pehle, I think everybody wants to know, right, about health and fitness, and always stick with your basics. Okay. पहले अपना foundation आपको मजबूत करना है. तो आपका foundation क्या है, right? The first thing is water. Okay. And also remember, foundation always has to be simple, वरना वो आप रोज नहीं कर पाएंगे, right? So ऐसी चीजें जो simple हैं जो आप रोज कर सकें. So that would be water. रोज आपको enough पानी पीना है. Hydration is important, right? Secondly, a balanced diet. Food is very important. Okay. So समय पे सोना and समय पे उठना. You need 8 hours of sleep. You must do that. If you are not sleeping enough, भले आप कितना भी exercise कर ले, ये कर ले, it will not help your body. It will damage you. All right. Fourth is regular exercise. आधा घंटा, पौना घंटा, 1 घंटा, 20 मिनट, जितना भी आपसे रोज बनता है, आप करिए. और कसरत के लिए, फिटनेस के लिए आपको जिम का मेंबरशिप की जरूरत नहीं है. You can go for a walk. You can help your mother in the kitchen. Okay. आप सीढ़ी ऊपर नीचे जा सकते हैं. There is so many other forms of exercises. outside of a gym membership or outside of a program. Okay, you just have to be active. कुछ नहीं तो आप jump ropes ले लीजिए. Okay, that is also something you can do. So 1 घंटा, आधा घंटा, 20 मिनट, जो भी आपसे बनता है, but religiously with discipline every day do it, and do it not as a punishment but do it because it's the right thing to do. Okay, so also mindset, positivity. अगर आप ये 5 चीजें करते हैं, I'm going to repeat it for you. Water, your sleep, a balanced diet. और balanced diet कितना, जितनी आपको भूख है उतना. Okay, no overeating, none of that. All right, that's mindfully. Sleep and sleep, exercise and positivity. Okay, so ये 5 चीजें अगर आप रोज कर सकते हैं, every day practice it. And positivity, I want to also add, Ankita, quickly, ये नहीं है कि जब आप सब अच्छा है तब पॉजिटिविटी. हर रोज कैसा भी दिन गया हो, कुछ नहीं तो काउंट 3 ब्लेसिंग्स. किन 3 चीजों के लिए आप बहुत थैंकफुल हैं. ओके, ग्रैटिट्यूड, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस दैट. So those are the 5 things that I would say all of you can do, and it's easy to do, right? It's possible. It's possible for you to follow. So start with that. Start with that. अगर आपकी friends हैं, 5 friends हैं, 10 friends हैं, अगर सबको करना है तो make a group. Hold yourself accountable. आप एक दूसरे से जैसे होमवर्क शेयर करते हैं, आपने होमवर्क किया कि नहीं, ये किया कि नहीं, राइट? तो आप अपना ऐसा ग्रुप भी बना सकते हैं where everybody asks each other, अच्छा आज तुमने क्या खाया? Share recipes, right? So you start helping each other out. Okay, that's just a suggestion. And
Basic 5 things, and like so basic. I think we do not even think of them as basic as having proper meal and water and having proper sleep. I think that is something that is ignored in today's scenario. People are
I think especially with electronics, with the cell phones and TV, and it's hard. It's become worst.
girls as basic as water, food, and sleep. See, it's so important. And as these saying that even a 20 minutes of a very light exercise will help you in going through that, achieving fitness, right? Are there any questions, girls? We have got 10 minutes more. If you have got any questions for Didi, Shama, you have raised your hand. Is it because you want to ask some question?
Yes, Dee.
Yes.
Dee, I have to ask a question that from my side, I eat lot of food, but that I am very hungry always, and I didn't got healthy. I am very thin in size and I am very less weight. I am 13 years old, but I am only 25 kg. So my mother always say, ask someone how can you be healthier, and I always eat healthy food that my mother says.
Okay, so Shama, you're asking me how to put on weight?
Yes, Dee.
Yes, okay. So Shama, for me to be able to help you, I would need more details. आप क्या खाना खाते हैं ये तो आप if Ankita will allow, Ankita, she can share more info and I'll be happy to help her. But अगर आप balance खाना खाते हैं, अगर आप healthy हैं, Shama, you should not worry about your size or your weight, okay? Unless you are very much underweight, I would not worry too much. It's okay. अगर आप हेल्दी महसूस करते हैं, अगर आपके शरीर में कोई डेफिशिएंसीज नहीं है, शमा, then don't worry. You are a growing child. Eventually, it all will be fine. But अगर आपको और डिटेल्स मुझे देंगे, then maybe I can tell you what to eat. आप nuts and fruits खा सकते हैं, right? आप घी अपने खाने में खाते हैं कि नहीं, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. It's not just the quantity, it's about what you're eating also.
Yes, Dee, I always eat fruits and I always put ghee on my chapatis. For
Then
me,
don't, then don't worry, Channa.
And I think that it's for everyone, right? As Shama and for others also, if someone is worried about their less weight, but I think that doesn't really matter unless they are facing some problems or health issues. Till the time they are fit, I think it's okay. If they're having healthy food, if they are having a good routine. Is it so? Like, is that like that?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay, thank you. Are there any more questions, girls? And then I'll open the space for a thank you message. So before you have, I'll count.
Ankita, there is one quick thing I want to tell all the girls
Yes.
while I have them here. Um, I want to tell them कि हम सबके लिए करियर्स के लिए जब मैं भी छोटी थी गर्ल्स तब मेरे लिए करियर में ये था कि इंजीनियर डॉक्टर राइट ऑल ऑफ दीज वर द करियर ऑप्शंस कभी भी मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था कि फिटनेस में करियर हो सकता है और उसमें आप अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं राइट यू कैन एक्सेल यू कैन ग्रो तो मेरा आप लोगों से यही कहना है दैट इफ यू हैव अ ड्रीम ओके अगर आपका कोई भी सपना है जो आप सोचते हैं यू ऑलरेडी हैव द कैपेसिटी टू डू इट आप में वो स्किल्स नहीं होंगे पर आप भी वो डिग्रीज ले सकते हैं आप भी वो लोगों से सीख सकते हैं राइट अगर आपका कोई भी ड्रीम है तो वो अब सीमित नहीं है यू आर लिमिटलेस वट एवर योर ड्रीम इज प्लीज गो आउट देयर achieve it surround yourself with people who will support you with your growth and go for it okay and one very quick thing I want to share also three things that how I shared with you 5 things for your health 3 things for your career I want to tell all you girls and if there is any boys here also is character okay कोई भी काम आप जो भी करें your character is very important be honest with it integrity hard work show up every day and show up at your best okay वो intention आप रखें second thing is connection हम कोई भी डिग्री ले लें बहुत जरूरी है but at the end of the day हम लोगों के साथ काम करेंगे so always have that ability to connect okay be kind be generous try to understand the other person's perspective so connection right and the third thing is competence jitna aap seekh sakein there is no limit to your competence always be willing to learn okay those are the 3 things I want to tell you guys your character your competence and your ability to connect these 3 things please always keep in mind and that's all I want to tell you guys or if you have any questions at all feel free to reach me also
Girls, let's remember these 3 C's that the told us right now: character, then she said connections, and then she said competence, right? 3 things. Let's hold them with us and discuss these things every day in the classes. So I'm sure we'll be going a long way, right? I'm just getting 2 questions here on the chat box. I think first is about how to develop our promote growth and development. So I think again, like you said, that it should have a balanced diet, sleep, water. I think that will only help. Or is there anything specific to this, to the answer to the question that how do we improve our growth and development?
no that's good and again mindfulness breathing exercises is also a must it helps a lot
Okay, and one more question I can see here: is there any yoga for headache? Yeah, is there anything particular fitness thing that someone can do for headache?
usually for headache if you have headache more than exercise I would question आप पानी enough पीते हैं कि नहीं that's usually the first reason dehydration okay so आप कोई एक्सरसाइज हेडेक के लिए करें उससे पहले आप प्लीज चेक करें आप इनफ पानी पीते हैं कि नहीं whether there is it's a case of dehydration second thing is loss of salts okay you guys are growing girls it is very important to कि आप खजूर badam and coconut water to replace your salts so please these 3 things also and if you are still doing that then just follow a healthy exercise there's no one exercise that I can say for a headache there are many You can try breathing exercise, you can try yoga. Sometimes just sweating it out helps. So whatever, जो भी आपको खुशी देता है, is good to go. But please make sure these other two things are in place.
Yes. And I can see Khushi is asking that does eating chocolate damage our bodies or not? So I think till the time it's like, as girls, if you remember, Aarti Di said she follows 80-20 and sometimes 90-10 rule. So I believe till the time you're eating chocolates comes in this ratio. So I think it's okay. Your comments, Aarti Di, on this.
I agree. I completely agree.
Okay, girls. So
कोई
I,
भी चीज
yes.
moderation में is okay. Anything in moderation is a good thing.
Right. And we are left with only two things now. One is photograph and one is a thank you message. So let's have a quick photograph, girls, and then I'll open the space for you all to share your thank you message